Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Whether you want to switch things up or express yourself differently, it's super easy, so let's get started. First, let's open up the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now look for the Bitmoji section. If you have your Bitmoji linked, you'll see it there. Tap on the Bitmoji icon. And here you can find Edit Avatar. Tap on it. Now this will open up the Bitmoji. Now to change your gender, tap on the gender option. Here you can find the body types. Here you can find it. Simply choose all the features that you want as a man. Let's start off with the hair. You can choose some manly hairs, no earrings, some clothes, and like this. This is how you can change your gender. And after you've all done, simply click on save. And after you're happy with your new Bitmoji, your Bitmoji should now reflect the new gender settings, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat.